What is good, everyone? Welcome back to Nate Trades. Today is Monday, July 6th, 2026. I'm going to be going over today's price action, the win that I just took, and the break even that I took right before it. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Today is day number 10 of documenting my journey to becoming a consistently profitable day trader. First, let's get right into market bias. On the daily time frame, you can see that we're sitting in between the daily candle, not trending in either direction. You can see we clearly have previous day low pretty far down and in previous day high pretty far up. All right, on the 4 hour time frame, you can again see that we're not really trending in either direction. We made this big impulsive move down, retraced to about 50%, and then we went down, we tapped in this and respected this 4 hour, and then we're going higher. But we're really, I mean, to me, I don't see this as we're clearly going higher or we're clearly going lower. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see just again really not trending. It looks very sideways price actiony. This is not a lot of momentum going up and then just boom down and then again just trickling back up. So very rangy. Now entering the day, I was leaning honestly neutral but more bullish. This is the 15-minute time frame. I was looking for just like a move to equilibrium of this because move around equilibrium, so somewhere in here, just to catch along, or if we're just going to go lower towards low, then I'll look at that. But yeah, my ideal setup was just to move to about EQ 50% of this range and then take a long setup. All right, going right into the first trade setup that I took for the day was this long setup right here. So exactly what I was looking for happened. We hit about EQ of this overall range right here. And then we did get a nice V-shaped strong displacement high. So what was I looking for? Break even at this high and then targeting the close high right here, actually a 1-to-1, just a little bit above it for RR reasons. And then yeah, got a pretty good fill on this, and this is how this one played out. Now a small side note is you can see ES did break this small high right here, being this high right here, but it had left like relative equal highs, so that's why I wasn't worried about that. So how did this one play out? Moved higher. We actually edged the break even. We didn't hit it right here. It just got really, really, really close, but didn't hit it. And then we got break even right here. So that little wick right there went break even. Now I was thinking about it later after the trade. I could have gone a discretionary break even when ES took like the relative equal highs or something. But overall, since today is so freaking choppy, I really didn't want to risk it. Anyways, that's the first trade setup. All right, going right into the second trade setup of the day. We left relative equal highs here with the overall high. ES made equal highs with it, but NQ left relative equal highs. Then we got a nice retracement here, and then got a strong V-shape displacement candle here. So with this being my continuation model, I entered, my break even would be here at the high, and then I would just ride this one out for a 1-to-1. So I had this one play out. Honestly, I thought I was going to get stopped out there because there's a 15-minute fair value gap here, and I thought for that reason we would potentially stop me out, and then just do a stop run and then just go higher after that. But nope, it didn't happen. I could have been more patient and waited for that, but yeah, anyways. Went break even here, and then this one just trickled up, and then did hit my 1-to-1, and this is where we sit right now. So very, very choppy day. I went half my risk on today just because of honestly how choppy it was, and I could see that going to market open. But a win is a win. And yeah, the best thing that I could take away from today was probably be patience. I honestly maybe should have been more patient, faded this trade setup right here, faded this setup right here. It looked really good and it was everything I was looking for, except it didn't tap into this 15-minute fair value gap, which is really what I really preferred to see. But after getting just the nice V shape, that's when I took it. Um, but yeah, I maybe should have faded this one and waited for the 15, but the market's random, every day is different. So it is what it is. And then the first trade setup was okay. It wasn't like I wouldn't call it A plus. Like yeah, we got A plus displacement. We had clear draw and liquidity, but we didn't have like the best structure. I mean, we did have this big wick down and then up, so it was pretty good. But personally, what I like to see a little bit more is a V like this, where price like comes down and goes up instead of just like goes up. But anyways, that's it from today's trading recap. Let me know how you did in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 11 of documenting my journey becoming a consistently profitable day trader. Peace out.